Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna draw one of the most beautiful temple of India, that is Karnak Sun Temple. The name Karnak comes from the combination of Sanskrit word Karna, that is angel, and Ark, that is sun. The Karnak Sun Temple is a 13th century Hindu temple dedicated to the sun god Surya. It is the best known tourist destination in Orissa and has been a World Heritage Site since 1984. It is located in the village of Karnak, which is 35 km north of Puri on the coast of the Bay of Bengal. Frequently referred to as the Black Pagoda, the Karnak temple was constructed in the mid 13th century by Narasimha Deva I of the Ganga dynasty. The temple is unique in its architecture. It is built in a form of chariot driven by 7 horses on 12 pair of decorated wheels. There are beautiful carvings on the wall of the main temple. The temple is said to symbolize the passage of time, which is assumed to be governed by the sun god. The set of horses is meant to represent the 7 days of the week, while the 12 pair of wheels refers to the 12 months of the year. Just beyond the porch is a double staircase that lead to a temple containing a marvelous statue of sun god which is carved out beautifully. Multifarious images can be seen on the walls of the temple that pose animals such as snake, giraffes, elephants, etc. The construction work of Sun Temple of Karnak was overseen by Bishu Maharana as the chief architect. The condition of the soil where the temple was to be built originally was so bad that the chief architect Bishu Maharana became very much upset. But when there was no other way, he with great difficulty managed to carry on the work. There was a contract between the king and workers that no one will be allowed to go away until the whole work was completed. Anyway, the construction work was going on and it was nearing its completion. Suddenly, the chief architect Bishu Maharana and his workers faced the difficulty on fixing up the temple crown stone in its proper position. In the meantime, the chief architect's son Dharmapada came to see his father as he was away from home for a long time. Dharmapada was born a month after his father's departure and 12 years had gone by. He was always sad as he had never seen his father and his mother never told him much about his father. On his 12th birthday, he asked his mother a gift and his mother told him about his father and his responsibility to build Sun Temple of Karnak near the sea. Dharmapada decided to meet his father and after a long journey, he reached the construction site. He proceeded to the site and did not take much time to spot his father. After meeting his father and other artisans, he came to know that they are not happy and facing a major problem. Though Bishu Maharana was glad to see his son, he could not conceal the fact of his not being able to put the kalash properly. He said, "My boy, though the construction work is almost complete, we are experiencing some difficulty now in putting the kalash. If we fail to do it within a reasonable time, the king will separate our head from our body." On hearing this, the boy immediately got up at the top and discovered something wrong in the work. He immediately rectified the defect and made the kalash to go into its proper position. The work was done, but the artisans were still thinking of their fate that if the king come to know about all this, he will certainly think that the artisans were not doing their job properly, which a little boy had done in such a short time. Dharmapada never wanted glory, name, or fame for his achievement. He was happy that he saved so many lives by completing the temple for Sun God. Dharmapada was very much shocked, and to cover up the matter, he climbed on the top of the temple and jumped into the deep blue water of the sea to sacrifice his life. A young boy who achieved the ultimate glory by completing the greatest temple ever built sacrificed his life to save the life of others. Now, after hundreds of years, the Sun Temple is ruined, but Dharmapada still be alive in the legend and in the ambition of every artisan of Odisha. There are many such stories related to the completion of the work at Karnak, but their accuracy is still in doubt and there is no such historical proof against them. This was one of the most famous story behind the building of Karnak Sun Temple. Now, there are few things that you must see when you visit Karnak Sun Temple. The massive architecture. Karnak Sun Temple is a great example of Kalinga temple architecture on a scale that is rarely seen. The topmost part of the temple is missing and still the temple looks grand. It is created like a chariot with 7 horses and 12 pair of wheels, that is 24 wheels, which indicate 24 hours of the day. The 7 horses representing the 7 days of a week. The another thing you must see is Mandapa, the massive structure that we seen with beautifully curved door jumps in Mandapa or Jagmohan as it is called in Odisha. The another thing is sculptures of Karnak Sun Temple. It is said that the temple was built like titans but finished like jewelers. Next thing is elephant panel at the bottom. The panel of curved elephants runs at the bottom of the temple structure, giving an impression they are bearing the load of the temple. Next is Naga sculptures. A lot of Naga Nagini sculptures can be seen on the wall panel at the human eye level. Most of them are half human and half serpent. You would notice them as soon as you start walking around the temple in clockwise fashion. Another thing you can see is giant elephant's figure. This can be seen as you approaches the temple and some on the platform next to it. The next thing is famous wheel on 10 rupee note of Indian currency. What is interesting about the wheel is they are not just ornate wheel, they are sundial. With the help of shadow you can calculate the local time. Foreigners' glory. Karnak sculptures are a great example of the global nature of Indian kingdom. You can see Chinese travelers or traders with their characteristic feature, one of them apparently eating noodles on the folding table, that too with chopsticks. Horses that were driven the chariot. The horses sculpture are not very visible. You need to walk a little away from the temple to be able to see them. One of these horses is the state symbol of Odisha. Natya Mandapa. This pillared platform was designed for dance performance. The sculpture here can be seen of dance poses, musical instruments being played that bring out an emotion of utsav or celebration. Iron rods. Iron clamps and joints were used in the temple. There are a lot of things in Karnak Sun temple to see, like Maya Devi temple, Bhoga Mandapa, and etc. That's it for today. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to leave the comment down below in the comment box. Thanks for watching.